How to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11 or 10. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and click Window and R button at the same time, and then type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. So go over to your Wi-Fi and then right click on it, and then go to Properties. So go ahead and click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address right here, and on Preferred DNS server, go ahead and type 1.1.1.1, and in alternate DNS server, go ahead and type 1.0.0.1. So this is the cloud DNS, and you can also use the Google DNS. So for Google DNS, you can type 8.8.8.8 under preferred DNS server, and in alternate DNS server, go ahead and type 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK. So if this doesn't work, the next thing you can do is click on Configure, go ahead and click on Advanced, and then click on Preferred Band, and then click on this arrow here and select 5G first. Over here in Roaming Sensitivity Level, make sure the value is set to low, and then click on OK. So this is how to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.